Welcome back to Rachel V, the Healthy We. Today we're going to make birthday cake waffles. So yummy you won't even notice there's no real sugar. We're going to be using eggs, yogurt, baking powder, sweetener of choice, melted butter, coconut flour, vanilla extract, and birthday cake extract. We're going to go ahead and add all the wet ingredients together. We're going to beat that until you have a nice fluffy light yellow mixture in color. If you'd like to make these vanilla waffles, just go ahead and exclude the birthday cake extract and use all vanilla extract. We're going to go ahead and put the dry ingredients together and combine well before adding it to the wet mixture. Then we're going to beat it thoroughly and combine both until we have a nice fluffy mixture to use for our waffles. Once that's completed, we're ready to go ahead and heat up our waffle iron. I use a little bit of olive oil nonstick spray in mine. I have a regular round waffle maker. I can usually get approximately 4 to 5 depending upon how well I'm able to spread out the waffle mixture. This may differ depending on your size of waffle maker. Go ahead and let it go until most of the steam stops coming out of the sides. Give it a peek. If it's too blonde, just let it go a little longer. Once it's complete, go ahead and remove the waffle and set it aside to cool a little. They are quite soft as you're pulling them, but firm up as they begin to cool slightly. Go ahead and complete the rest of your waffle mixture. And you can double batch this if you have multiple people you'll be serving, since it only makes 4 or 5. We're using a strawberry sauce to decorate, as well as a little chocolate drizzle and heavy whipping cream. I have these recipes included with the birthday cake waffle on Rachel B, the Healthy We, and feel free to check them out. I'll also be doing an upcoming video on the strawberry sauce, since it's quite good on yogurt as well. They're lovely and done, and quite a decadent treat. Good for just about anything you'd like, from a special occasion to a fun kid's birthday. And again, can't believe they have no sugar. Here's the recipe. For details, go to Rachel B, the Healthy We, and thanks for watching.